Hello, everyone. Today, we start an incredibly interesting topic, virtual reality, or VR. Have you heard of VR before? Today, we'll explore what VR is and what can be done with it. Let's start with the basics. VR, or virtual reality, is a computer-generated environment that can be explored and interacted with as if you were there. It's a 360-degree experience created through special equipment. VR's history dates back further than you might think, with the first systems developed in the 1960s. However, it has become much more accessible recently due to technological advancements. Next, let's look at what you need to experience VR. Primarily, you use something called a VR headset. There are various headsets like the Oculus Quest and HTC Vive, which have displays right in front of your eyes that adjust as you move your head. This allows users to look around in a virtual world as freely as they would in real life. VR isn't just an entertainment tool. It's used in a wide range of fields including education, healthcare, and architecture. For example, in schools, it can recreate historical events, or in medical training, it allows students to practice surgeries. It's effective not only for games and movies but also for training and simulations. How was it? I hope you felt the possibilities of experiencing entirely new worlds and activities through VR. To review what we've learned today, let's do a quick quiz. Are you ready? Question 1. What does VR stand for? A. Video recorder. B. Virtual reality. C. Variable resistor. D. Visual response. Yes. The answer is B. Virtual reality. Question 2. What is the main device needed to experience VR? A. Tablet. B. Smartphone. C. VR headset. D. Personal computer. Yes. The answer is C. VR headset. That's all for today. Next lesson is the future possibilities of VR. See you next time.